Hi there everybody, I'm back again for Real Reviews YS. So be aware, I'm going to show you the real review for this toy that I purchased on Amazon a while ago. And I just received it and I'm not happy with it. It's very small. And I'm going to pull up the order so you guys be aware when you guys are purchasing something like this. So here we have it. If you pull it up on Amazon, I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but it's for this item and it's going for $14. And it's such a the picture makes the buyer think that it's going to be a big old toy. And in reality, you're getting this little toy car that you could purchase for like $1, maybe $3 at your local store. So let's go ahead and just review it. So this is the little toy car. You're able to choose from 5 different models. I believe I ordered, this is like the little dump car. But I was just shocked that it's going for $15. So let's go ahead and see what it does for $15, what you're getting with it. So this is supposed to be 7 times 3 centimeters. So let's just verify that it's that accurate. So it is about 7 times 3. And it is. I did read it when I was placing the order, but like I said, the pictures make it seem bigger. When you're not paying attention and then the price is 15, you're thinking like me or not that you're gonna get a fairly bigger toy for $15. But this is it. It does feel like your Hot Wheels sort of material, so it's not like that cheap plastic. Also, the wheels, they move good. Let's see what else does it do. This thing moves up and down. It took a while to get it when I ordered it. It's not fulfilled by Amazon, but it's another seller. So I decided I would just keep it and be aware of what when you're ordering to read the description. And if you have a ruler, just go ahead and measure it so you know what you're buying, what kind of toy. I just want to do this review for you guys so you guys can know what kind of, in case you guys are looking it up, purchase it for yourself. This car is not too bad as I'm inspecting it. You know, your son would have a lot of fun with it. So, but I cannot give this as a gift. I was hoping for a bigger item, but for 15, this is not what I was expecting. This is perhaps $3. So let's take a closer look here. So this is the, I believe the seller is Halffle. I'll put a description. So looking at it's not bad. It's just not $15, so be aware of that. And it came in this little plastic bag. So for $15, they could have upped their packaging. Well, this has taught me to really read the description fully and to pull my ruler out if I have it, which I usually do have one in my office. Just go ahead and measure it. Make sure that the description is accurate with the measurements, that they're larger toy. Comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Comment below if you guys gone through something like this, misinformed or didn't pay attention fully to the description.